what's been the best or what's been the most memorable moment of your life with me?
You coming here. You coming here.
I thought we created lots of memories.
Yeah, we did, but this was the happiest. You being here with me.
Okay, what will be the saddest?
You know that.
Me leaving Canberra. Anyways, we'll park this question for some other time. More question for some other time. So let's go and buy iPhone 16 Pro Max, guys, here at Canberra City.
Because she walked over to you and said,
Canberra Centre. Zara boy, Zara boy. Finally, here we are. 16 Pro Max, na? Do you think we'll get lucky? No?
Never.
You wanna go and see? Let's go and see. No. Okay. There you go. That's it. Pro Plus, me. Colors are really sweet, but yeah, I don't like this though. The color is the same over there. The only difference is the camera here. Instead, I like the pink color better. Ani lady, ani Vijayan. This one, the pink one. The difference, Tony Lavro, and the color Vijam Tony. But they just have two lenses, which I don't like. I already have white one, 15 Pro G, so difference me Tony me and Vajin. And you are just difference Tony me. I don't know. So we have two options there, either to trade in my 15 Pro Max or to simply like buy. The three options, Dumo.
Trading.
Yeah, I can either trade in my phone or buy in cash or buy in installment, right?
Installment.
Trading with a not
You
bad.
can buy it installment.
Installment.
At Vodafone Office. I mean what you say?
Yeah. So for now we have three options in life, and I don't know whether they have like in stock or not. But I'm the indecisive. Difference I'm chidi window. But I think 16 is 16 there. Because I'm a blogger, you know, I deserve this. My phone earns me bread and butter, hence I'm taking it. Dude, how much are we getting? Getting. Trading. So if I'm trading in my iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'm getting like 1,500. Around 1,500. 1,432. So how much do we have to top up?
Almost 1,000.
Which is fair deal. Love it. Huh, what do you think?
You decide, honey.
I want it. I want to trade in. I want to trade in and buy one.
Take it all.
Yes. That's why I love you.
She loves me when I give something.
Women needs to be
She only
pampered.
loves me
Women needs
when I
to
give her
be
something.
pampered. Women needs
Mind
to
your
be
peoples.
pampered. Seriously, Anna, because it's a weekend, a lot of people. Seriously, everyone is so busy here. We're trying to get someone to help us out. Oh, there you go. The coolest salesman here. Unfortunately, we're not getting. I am not getting 16 Pro Max this weekend.
Out of stock.
And when do I come? Tuesday.
Maybe.
Yeah,
We don't
maybe.
know.
So I'll walk in some other day. For now, that's it. Thank you. Phone din minto I watched the stuff video with them. I'm sad. All the phones are sold out. And I'm gonna come here on Tuesday and see my luck. Otherwise, I'll have to wait for like 2-3 weeks. It's not too much, honey.
Nice fair.
It's fair?
Yeah.
Are you happy that I saved your money? I'm sad. Yeah, iPhone din mindu da ab the Uniqlo kinilo me. Why Uniqlo? Uniqlo, H&M, Zara. Not H&M, but I'm more trekking again now, so probably North Face jacket. Oh wait, honey. How about North Face jacket? Kazi Sajuba.
iPhone chegonilo, North Face chegonilo, Uniqlo chegonilo, Zara chegonilo.
Honey, you have to be willing to buy the whole world for me.
iPhone.
Me. National Geographic store. Kachlo.
Do you know me?
Ko genigi goko bitovese.
Most.
Let's go. Kati mindu dendabo. Next to it.
That's nice.
Why do you always look at that hoodie?
I like hoodie.
And every Bhutanese favorite Uniqlo. Uniqlo the Mistra mindu me. Shopping bera bego bands. I like the shirts here. So guys, today I went to Apple Store and Apple Store nanga chagamsidejui. Tha du jui Apple tiru yedigi besa chiru na jabtur be me esa chiru store nara Apple made the dinga randomly walk in betai, and to my luck jewamchi indigi finally I got one and I couldn't film because I didn't take my GoPro with me. So today I came home and we wanted to unbox together. Screen ane vamide. Experience raminda ane vago. Ta-da! So this is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and because this year is gold era, I'm like in love with gold color. So I got gold iPhone. I don't know the chi gadavichini. Tagi me ngadi pro in unbox penina.
Shenga gi ana
Pa close be ba mete pa.
ana dubut ana error chi dubu.
Okay, do it.
What?
Ana le memen.
Ana error ana.
Atsukume. Kera ba ha go chugu se. You're such an ugly unboxer. Whoa! There you go. So
Pink
that's
rose mete.
a desert. Desert. Pink rose, remember, it's desert iPhone 16 Pro Max. Na daga de bego unboxing here. The iGym ki style nahi hai there unboxing. Usually okay, that's the USB chair do. And hang on, explain bemede. So guys, we are done unboxing and now we
Transferring the data.
Yeah, we're transferring the data and it's going to take us more than 3 hours. So with this, thank you so much for the gift. It's sponsored by Dee and Norja and bought by me.
Tangaya cover me baby bani ngaya sab nyo chusina. Mine is also 16 Pro Max.
Okay, I'll buy you when I become billionaire. I'll buy the whole store for you.
Apple Store nyo tani.
Finally.
Okay.
Wishes come true. Hani Vitopchi. Lasso. Bye guys and thank you for watching our vlog. Subscribe.
Like, follow, subscribe, share.
Thank you.
Bye bye.